Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to schedule Google Meeting for later. First of all, open up your preferred browser and click on this dotted icon beside your profile. Now, a pop-up will appear on your screen. In this pop-up, click on Calendar and you will be redirected to this calendar page. Here, choose the date you prefer and then click on that date. After that, a new pop-up will appear on your screen. Now, in this pop-up, add the title of that specific scheduling and then click on Add Time option. After that, select your preferred time, then click on this option. A drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you will find various options. So, select your preferred option. Now, click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing option, and now your scheduled profile has been created. After that, click on More Options and it will bring you to this interface. Here, you can add description of your specific schedule, change alert type, and add guests to your scheduling meeting. After you have done all of that, click on Save, and it will ask if you want to send invitation emails to your guests. So, select the Send button and you are good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.